Hello everyone and welcome back to EduMoon tutorials. My name is Srinitya and I'm going to be teaching engineering drawing ED. In the last video we discussed about different types of scales and that was the end of chapter 1. From this video we're going to discuss chapter 2, that is curves. In this video I'm going to give an introduction to this chapter. Let us now discuss the subtopics that are there in this chapter. They are ellipse, parabola, involute, cycloid, helix, sine curve, and some other curves. Ellipse. Ellipse is an oval shape. It is a conic section. We are going to discuss about its major axis, minor axis, its focus, center, semi-major axis, semi-minor axis, etc. There are three methods of drawing ellipse or constructing an ellipse. That is concentric circle method, intersecting arcs method, and intersecting lines method. There are other methods also, but we are going to be focusing mostly on these three methods. A parabola is a conic section. The two important terms that we are going to be talking about later are focus and directrix. Here we are going to be discussing two methods of constructing the parabola, that is by intersecting lines and by intersecting curves. Third one, involute. It is the locus of a point on a piece of string as the string is either unwrapped from or wrapped around the curve. We are going to discuss how to construct an involute in the upcoming videos. Next we have a cycloid. A cycloid, to understand a cycloid, let us imagine a wheel and consider any point on that wheel. Now imagine the wheel has completed one full rotation. We are going to draw the path that the point has covered. So that is a cycloid. So that is the path tracked by a point on a wheel in one rotation. I have drawn the rough diagrams here. So this is a very rough sketch. Then we have helix. The grooves of a screw in one rotation is called a helix. And sine curve. We are very familiar with the sine curve. Sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, and this is the rough sketch of a sine curve, and we are going to discuss how to draw these in the later videos. In the upcoming videos we will be discussing how to construct an ellipse, parabola, involute, cycloid, helix, and sine curve. And for constructing these we will be needing chart paper, drafter, and a compass. Thank you for watching.